Are you ready for the YouTube Shorts videos? Do you need to buy expensive software? You have a fantastic travel video and like to have it the same on all media platforms? Do you want to know how to get your vertical video without turning your phone? Well, I got good news for you. It's super easy and won't cost you a penny by just using your traditional editing software. Stay tuned and find out how. In this short tutorial, I will explain you how you can save money by just using your traditional editing software and convert your horizontal landscape videos to a YouTube Shorts. As a bonus, you can use the same footage for your Instagram Reels or upload it to your TikTok channel. Watch this video till the end and I promise you that you can start right away and have your first Shorts ready in 15 minutes. If you don't know what a short is, here is a short recap. Not that we have a short video on recap, but a recap on what short is. Short is a new short form video experience for creators and artists who want to shoot short, catchy videos using nothing but their mobile phones. Or say it how it is, shorts are the answer from YouTube to the popular TikTok movies and Instagram Reels just to steal viewers from the competition. And I can already hear you think right now. Did you just say catchy videos using nothing but their mobile phones? Yes, I did, but that is not mandatory. If you're like me, you probably just want to take a small part from an existing video and convert that into the vertical era of humankind. Before we jump in the editing process, I want you to keep a few things in mind. YouTube Shorts can be up to 16 seconds tops. If you like to use the Shorts also as Instagram Reel or TikTok, you can have only maximum video time of 30 seconds. This leaves you with three options. 1. Make a 60-second video for using with YouTube Shorts and shorten the video inside Instagram or TikTok. The downside is that the music of the video may not be precisely trimmed at the right positions. Number 2, you can make a 60 seconds version for YouTube Shorts and do a second edit of 30 seconds just to use for TikTok and Reels. Keep in mind this is a little extra work. The third one, you can make a 30 seconds version to use for all the three platforms at once. And precisely that is what we will do. Like it so far? Please give it a thumbs up down here and let's start editing. Right now we are in our program. I use Final Cut Pro for this, but you can do this also in other programs like Adobe Premiere or something else what you're using. I opened a project that I did a few months ago. Last year we were in France in the Ardèche area where we made this video about sleeping in a forest. They have these small cabins over there where you can sleep, and let's see. What you can do is one thing, you just take a piece from beginning till the end. Let's say you start here and you see it's 1:33 and you go just 30 seconds till here and you just select these kinds of these clips together, or you just take a few clips that you like and like I'm going to do now, and from these clips we will combine a separate shorts. So let's pick a few here. Probably it's going to be too much at the moment. I will not take these tag boxes because I don't like them on Shorts or Reels. Also, I will not take the intro or the outro. I will not take a subscribe button. I just want to focus on the video. What I also am going to take is the audio because I would like to add the audio too. So I made my selection, also the audio. What I'm doing now is just copy and I will start a new project. Now, one thing that's really important, the standard is always horizontal, but if you go here, you have vertical. For Shorts, Reels, or for TikTok, you always have to use 1080 or 1080 at 1920 to get the highest quality. You can go lower, but I prefer to have it 1080 1920 so you have better quality. If the 1080 is not available in vertical like this, here you have also the option in to edit yourself, but you have to turn around and make it 1080 here and 1920. For the frame rate, it's really important. If you want to use it for Instagram, only 30 frames per second is allowed. So I'm going to take 30 frames per second also. And next we're going to create the project. Because we copied from the other project, I just can do paste at this moment. Now you can see the audio is way too long, so what I'm going to do now is choose a specific part from the audio that where I would like to start. I know already that I would like to start here, because this is just where there was a break, and at that moment the music will start. So I will zoom in a little bit and see where this part exactly is where it will start. You see here, I will cut it there, so I know I can start right there. We will delete this because we will not need it. This we're going to delete too. Add the audio completely to the beginning. Now we have to remove these parts. Maybe you're wondering now why I am taking these small parts, why I am not taking the rendered movie and just use that or cut it a little bit. First thing is that of course you have the text boxes in there. In my case, if you don't have the text boxes, it may be different for you, but it's also because we have to scale it up, and it's a vertical. We're going to lose some sides from the image, and if we're losing sides, it may be possible we have to move the frame a little bit to the left or the right. And I want to do this for each clip individually instead of doing it for the whole video. Now we're starting here at 0, and now I want to see where I can end, because I want to have it also for Instagram Reels and for the TikTok. I don't want to cross the 30-second mark. So let's listen to the music where I can cut it. So here would start the new part of the music. So I know I have to cut here. We're going to delete this part. Now if the music is too abrupt at the beginning or the end, you always can use a fade in or a fade out, but I'm going to leave it now like it is to keep it easy. Next I want to add an adjustment layer. I will add it on top. Make it just as long as the audio. And inside the adjustment layer we have to make some adjustments, because as you can see now we have a horizontal video, and we want to fill the black parts up with the video. So what we're going to do now is going to scale, and for the right scale we're using is 320%. If we do that, you can see it's completely covered now. Now I want to make some adjustments to see if the framing is right. We start with the first clip. We select the first clip, and we're going to see, like here, it's almost correctly framed. Well, I want to change the position a little bit to the right, so it's nice in the middle. We're going to the next. If it's better, a little bit to the left or the right. Let's go to the next part. We move this a little bit to the left. Here you can see why I prefer to do it in short clips and not as a whole clip, because this way I can change each clip individually. Now we are at the end, and now we will cut at just the right moment here. We remove the last part, and we have exactly 28 seconds. And that's how easy it is. So we are ready. What is really important for this is that you have to export in .mp4. For my standard movies, if I'm uploading to YouTube, I'll always take a .mov. .mov is typically an extension used by Apple. Normally it's not a real problem, because most of the programs can handle both of them. Except for Instagram, they require .mp4. Maybe it has changed already, but for what I know, the best thing is always to use the MP4 format. Always do a double check. It's 1080 by 1920, 30 frames per second. And it's 28 seconds and a little bit long. Hit next. Our video is rendered. Always double check if everything is okay. Go through all the images, check it with the music, and if it's okay, you can start uploading it. When you're ready, go to your YouTube studio, hit the create and upload a video. Select the video like you usually do. Your title and also your description. But one thing that's really important is that you always put the hashtag shorts inside the description. You hit next, let YouTube do the processing for the finalized version, and you're ready to go. Your first YouTube Shorts video is finished and ready to be published. If your country doesn't have the YouTube Shorts shelf yet, don't forget to add the hashtag Shorts in the description so YouTube will recognize it as a Shorts video. Personally, I'd like to add the hashtag Shorts also in the title, but to be honest, I don't know if it has any benefits. Thanks for watching and all your support. Let me know if you like the tips and drop me a message below if you have some extra tips for me. When you have finished your first shorts, I would love to hear about it. Just drop a link here below and I promise I will check it out. See you in the next video.